Hello and welcome to English Story TV, the YouTube channel and podcast that is designed to help you improve your English. Today's episode is about how to think in English. Improving your English skills involves not only speaking and writing, but also thinking directly in the language. Thinking in English can significantly enhance your fluency and make it easier to communicate naturally. This video will provide practical strategies to help intermediate English learners start thinking in English. Why think in English? Thinking in English is a vital skill that can improve your ability to use the language spontaneously. It helps in faster response times during conversations and reduces the need to translate from your native language. This can make your speech sound more natural and fluent. 1. Surround yourself with English. The more you immerse yourself in English, the more natural it will become. Try to read, listen, and watch English media as much as possible. Here are some suggestions. Watch English movies and TV shows. Choose shows with everyday language, and if necessary, use subtitles initially. Listen to English music and podcasts. This helps you get accustomed to different accents and slangs. Read English books and articles. Start with simpler novels or articles about topics you enjoy to make reading fun and engaging. 2. Practice daily consistency is key when learning a language. Set aside specific times each day to practice thinking in English. Here are a few daily activities you can try. Describe your day. Think about your daily activities and try describing them in English. Set your devices to English. Change the language settings on your phone, computer, and other devices to English to encourage everyday practice. Think aloud. Whenever you are alone, try to speak your thoughts out loud in English. This will help you get used to forming sentences quickly and improve your pronunciation. 3. Use a vocabulary journal. Keep a small notebook or digital app where you can jot down new words and phrases. Regularly review this journal and try to use these words in sentences. This practice will expand your vocabulary and make it easier to think in English because you'll have the right words at your disposal. 4. Engage in conversations. Speaking with others in English is one of the best ways to practice thinking in the language. Here's how you can increase your conversation practice. Join English-speaking clubs or groups. Look for language cafes or conversation clubs in your area. Use language exchange apps. Connect with native speakers or other learners who want to practice their skills. Participate in online forums or social media groups. Engage in discussions on platforms like Reddit, where many communities exist specifically for language learning. 5. Write in English. Writing allows you to organize your thoughts and use new vocabulary actively. Start with simple paragraphs and gradually move to longer texts. Here are some writing exercises. Keep a daily journal in English. Write about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Write essays or stories. Choose topics that interest you to keep the practice enjoyable. Participate in writing challenges online. Many websites offer creative writing prompts that can inspire you. 6. Think in English during mundane activities. Incorporate English thinking into routine activities. For instance, while cooking, think about the steps in English, or while shopping, name the items you need in English. This method helps integrate the language into your everyday life without making it feel like a chore. 7. Set realistic goals. It's important to set achievable goals to keep yourself motivated. These might include understanding a TV show without subtitles, having a 15-minute conversation with a native speaker, writing a 500-word essay. Celebrate when you reach these milestones to encourage continued effort. Conclusion. Thinking in English is a crucial step towards fluency. It requires patience and practice, but with consistent effort, you can achieve this skill. Use the strategies outlined above to immerse yourself in the language daily, and gradually you'll find yourself thinking in English automatically. This transition will greatly improve your confidence and mastery of the language, opening up new opportunities for personal and professional growth. Remember, every small step counts, and persistence is key to success in language learning. If you found this video interesting, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. See.